spot the difference between these anime images? There is some difference in the picture clarity, right? In fact, they are the original image, the image repaired by PS, and the image upscaled by AI. It seems that the method of AI upscale is more friendly to me, because I am not very good at operating Photoshop. So how to use AI to upscale anime? We found an online photo enhancer AI software that can help us achieve it. Come to the main interface of AVCLabs. Select Photo Enhancer AI Online. After registration, you will see your credits in the upper right corner. Now let's upload a few anime pictures and try it out. After the images are uploaded, we can select AI feature on the right side. Select AI Anime Upscale and choose a scale. Now all you need to do is click Start Processing and wait for the anime after upscale. Anime Upscale with face refinement will cost us 3 credits per image. It will take some time to process the image. Now you can do something else. The anime has now been processed. Let's check the effect of the AI Anime Upscale. It looks pretty good, doesn't it? AI helps anime remove noise and improve image quality significantly. What will happen to the second anime? Wow, this is incredible! Can't wait to check the third pictures. Again, noise is removed. Anime characters are also clearer. The effect is very good, so the only thing you need to do is download all of them. By the way, new users will get 13 free credits after registration. Just search for AVCLabs and try it.